Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Come on in, have a seat, relax, and enjoy. Today I'm going to be talking about American depository receipts for Russian stocks. Now, for the people that are like, what the hell does that even mean? Depository receipts essentially represent shares in a different country. So if a Russian company is listed on the stock market, it will be presented through depository receipts within the US or on the London Stock Exchange or any exchange outside of the Moscow Stock Exchange. Now, since Russia launched its invasion into Ukraine on the 24th of February, 2 months ago essentially, the Russian depository receipts have gotten halted. And a couple of days ago, Russia passed a new law that is going to be implemented on the 27th of April, and it will allow the companies a week to delist their depository receipts. Now, what does that mean for the people that are invested in Russian companies? Now, I'm not fully sure of how the people are going to be able to pull their money out. Now, I'm fairly certain that the sanctions and the halts won't be lifted anytime soon within the US or within London. So I believe those company depository receipt are going to turn into actual shares on the Moscow Stock Exchange, and you will be able to access them, or they will be accessed through a non-resident account. I have no idea how to make one of those, so I'm gonna have to navigate those waters when that time comes. But yeah, I've been doing a lot of research and reading a lot of articles, kind of following what's been going on, because I haven't had access to a large chunk of my portfolio for the past 2 months. And I want to pull out of the company I'm invested in and put my money into something else. But yeah, I believe you will be able to sell your shares once they turn into actual shares instead of depository receipts, and then wait for that money to process and then put it back into your bank. And if you want to put it back into Robinhood or whichever application you're using to invest in stocks, you will be able to do that. Now, as a lot of people that are invested in depository receipts from Russia, I know there's been a lot of uncertainty in the past 2 months or so, and we just wanted to pull out, and a lot of people that said they were going to pull out haven't been able to. So, yeah, I'm kind of happy that the time has finally come where we will be able to pull out. Now, this situation under which we will be able to pull out, like how much the stocks will fall or how long it's going to take for the other stock exchange to process the refund. Now, that's still uncertain. So yeah, I guess we just have to wait till the 5th of March, or no, the 5th of May to kind of navigate those waters. But I hope you guys found this informative. I know it wasn't a super in-depth video, but there just isn't that much information out there, and there hasn't been for the past 2 months or so. It's just been super vague, and even the articles that have been talking about the delisting have been just vague in general. So hope it helped at all, if any, and if it did, definitely hit that thumbs up button. If you're invested in stocks and you've been making money or you've been losing money, kind of discuss it in the comment section below. What tactics are you employing? Are they helpful? I know day trading is just uncertain for most people that do it, and everybody has their own methods of doing it. So I would say my day trading hasn't been all that successful, especially considering that right as I'm getting back into stocks, I invest a large chunk of my money into a company that gets halted for 2 months, and maybe much longer than that. Hopefully not that much longer. But yeah. I'll stop rambling now. Hope you guys have a lovely day, and I will see you guys in my next video.